It is the pinnacle of automotive luxury. A cabin so quiet, so perfectly crafted, it feels like a private jet. But creating the legendary Rolls-Royce leather interior begins in the most unexpected, primal way imaginable. The journey starts high in the alpine meadows of Europe. Rolls-Royce only uses hides from bulls raised at high altitudes. When the raw hides arrive at the tannery, they are thick, heavy, and covered in hair and dirt. The first step in this extreme transformation takes place inside colossal, rotating wooden tanning drums. Here, the hides are soaked in a chemical bath that gently but effectively dissolves the hair and removes all natural impurities. What emerges from this wash is known in the industry as wet blue. It is completely hairless and heavily saturated with water. But a bull's hide is much too thick for luxury car seats. It must be split. A massive, razor-sharp bandsaw slices the leather in half. This highly precise machine shaves the leather down to an exact thickness of a few millimeters, ensuring uniform softness across the entire hide. Next, the hides are tightly stretched onto massive metal frames and sent through drying ovens to remove the excess moisture. Once dried, the leather is stiff like cardboard. To bring out that legendary Rolls-Royce suppleness, it must be violently tumbled and crushed. Now begins the dyeing process. The hides are placed into stainless steel vats and submerged in heavily pigmented, ultra-premium dyes. Unlike cheaper leathers that are just painted on the surface, this leather is drum-dyed for hours, allowing the vibrant color to penetrate all the way through.
This means if a Rolls-Royce seat ever gets scratched, the color beneath will perfectly match the surface. The hide is now ready for inspection.
Rolls-Royce has the strictest quality control in the world. Master inspectors use their bare hands and special UV lights to feel for microscopic flaws. Artificial intelligence and advanced laser scanners map the entire hide. If they find even a single mosquito bite, scratch, or stretch mark, the system immediately marks that section for rejection. Only the absolute flawless center cuts will make it into a phantom. The approved flawless leather is then sent to the cutting room. Because every Rolls-Royce is custom built, the lasers ensure absolute micrometer perfection. The edges are instantly sealed by the heat, preventing any fraying. It takes the hides of up to 11 different alpine bulls to create enough flawless leather pieces for just one single Rolls-Royce interior. The heavy-duty sewing machines punch through the thick leather, binding the pieces together with ultra-strong, contrasting thread. For the iconic headrests, highly advanced embroidery machines take over. They meticulously weave thousands of individual stitches at blinding speeds. They perfectly form the legendary R monogram. Every single stitch is angled to catch the light and showcase absolute perfection. The result is a seat that looks like a seamless, sculpted piece of art. The fully assembled seats are now transported to the final assembly line. Every panel, every door trim, and every dashboard surface is wrapped in this identical, flawless material. The transformation is nothing short of miraculous. What began as a rough, heavy byproduct of nature has been engineered and crafted into one of the most supple, luxurious, and exclusive materials on the planet. It takes weeks of intense chemical processing, extreme precision machinery, and masterful hand craftsmanship. But this obsessive attention to detail is exactly what makes a Rolls-Royce the undisputed king of luxury. The leather interior isn't just a place to sit. It is a testament to human engineering and uncompromising perfection. Next time you see one of these machines gliding down the street, you'll know the incredible journey hidden inside. From a raw, hairy hide in the freezing alpine mountains to a $500,000 masterpiece of automotive art. This
is what it takes to build the ultimate driving experience. Thanks for watching FlowFctry. If you found this extreme transformation satisfying, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see how the rest of the world's most fascinating products are made.